Penny like those.
Lulu really likes the grapes, doesn't she?
Yeah.
And Peanut's just kind of sniffing. Hi, Peanut.
Peanut's come out of here.
I think that's plenty of grapes. Oh, she's looking for more. Now just be gentle. Just put your hand out. Put your hand out and she'll sniff. Very good. Look at her. She's giving you little kisses.
Peanut, what's that?
Yeah, be gentle.
What's that? That's they bite me.
Oh no, they're love nibbles.
They're not. No, they're not.
They love you.
Yeah. A lot of numbers.
Just be gentle. Oh, look at Lulu.
Lulu.
Yeah.
You put a bubble.
And there's Penny. Penny's kind of shy back there.
Oh.
Be quiet. Stay quiet. Don't scare them. Very good. Do you like the rats?
Yeah.